All right, seventh graders. So here is an example of what I'm looking for when it comes to our geometric abstraction piece of art. Now, this is the one on the final paper, but I want you to come up with two. So you're going to come up with two examples or two thumbnail sketches. Thumbnail sketches are small. Let me zoom in so you can see that better. These are small practice sketches that that artists use in order to plan out what they're doing. So I did that already, and this is the one that I liked the best. Now, if you notice, the direct center of my artwork doesn't really have a lot going on. Everything is really going on the outer edges, and that's how I like it. It's also not symmetrical. It doesn't have the same thing on the left as it does on the right. And that's fine. We don't need it to be symmetrical. We actually want it to be balanced like this, or unbalanced, which is called asymmetrical. Now, once you've done your two thumbnail sketches and you have uploaded them into Google Classroom and you have done your reflective writing, you're going to go ahead and you're going to get the big piece of paper from the sub, or from me. And you are going to choose your favorite of your two sketches that you chose in your reflective writing, and you're going to redraw it nice and big on the 12 by 18 size paper. Once you've done that and it's all drawn out, you get to start coloring it in. Now, I want to see those values. I want to see those color blendings, and I really want to see it look awesome. So it can be colored in however you want. My advice, every time the lines change or you see a line, the color changes. So for instance, here I have these semicircles, but they're being intersected by other lines. So your best bet would then be to change the color as you hit every line. Now, I did mine as a gradient right there. I went from, in a value scale, I went from dark, and I just lessened my pressure of my pencil as I went down into the shape. So I have that one there. And then maybe I want to do yellow here, but I just want yellow to be the flat color. Okay? Now, maybe I want to start yellow on this space, and then I want to have it blend into green over here. Now remember, you're coloring inside the lines. That's really what you're going to be graded on when it comes to neatness, is your ability to color inside the lines. And we're going to keep coloring and coloring. And I'm pressing nice and hard with my pencil to get all of that wonderful colored pencil down. And then I'm going to start blending in my colors. trying to color and stay in one direction the whole time. And voila, I did my color blending. So this is what I want you to do for your entire piece of paper. I want it colored in. I want it looking great. There should be no white, unless you use a white colored pencil, on your paper. It should be strictly color from top to bottom, the whole shebang, and I think it's going to look awesome.